Okay, in activity 5.5, you're going to have one exercise that has you create some drilled holes. So this requires that you open the sample file drilledholes.ipt in the sample files folder, which you should have copied into your project folder. Now the first hole, which is called a blind hole, is already created for you. So you can see right here, the hole doesn't go all the way through. That's why it's called a blind hole. Now to create the rest of the holes, you select the hole command from the ribbon, and it's going to automatically select all the other 4 center points. Now you don't want that. This is the gotcha that I find students stumble over every year. You have to shift click on each of the center points to deselect the other holes. And then you can create the feature that you want for the particular hole that you're creating. So, for example, this first one here going around clockwise from the blind hole is requires a counter bore, okay, which is this one right here. And I don't remember the specifics. You can look it up in the worksheet. I think it's 0.75, the diameter of the counter bore, and 0.25 depth, and I think the whole diameter is 0.375, 3/8 of an inch. So again, don't go by my dimensions here. Go by the dimensions that are in the worksheet. But then you click apply, and there's the hole for that. Whoops. Again, I made a mistake there. But there's your hole. Okay. Now you're going to do the same thing for the other 4 holes, and each one requires different features. I think the next one is countersink. So instead of the counter bore feature, you select countersink. Follow the directions for the appropriate dimensions, etc. Click OK. There's your other hole. But the key to this whole exercise is you have to shift click on the centers that you don't want selected as you're creating these holes.